Welcome back to Upward Adventures, everyone. As you see, we're back at my mom's house. We were just in Utah, and we lost a window to a dust devil. Yeah, a little mini Utah tornado, as you may call it, or something like that. But it was, here in Arizona, we call it a dust devil. I'm going to roll some footage here in a second that shows when we're in Utah. The Utah video kind of ran a little long, so I didn't put it in that one, but just kind of tell you what happened and all that circumstances. We did get another window, which I'll talk about that a little more. I'm going to show you how I put that in and everything like that too. So watch this footage from Utah. Well, I'm not laying here to look all sex for y'all. I have a little problem here. Let me see if you notice something. Yeah, do you see something missing? I know it's kind of hard. It's supposed to be clear, but there's supposed to be something attached to that one. And that one, just kind of like this one is. You know, there's supposed to be a window there. A dust devil came through and just kicked up right on the side. I had just gone out to let Rusty out there, and he was going to the restroom stuff. And I saw a little twirl going on right next to the thing, and I was like, oh, I think it's going to be a dust devil. And it just kicked up like right in my face. I turned around and grabbed Rusty, and I was like, dust devil! And then Caitlin grabbed this one, luckily. And I was just grabbing Rusty. I was running like this, my eyes covered, trying to cover Rusty and run around this side. I got all the way over to this side over here, and I see Caitlin's face poking out here. You see where it went? And I'm just like, what went? She's like, there's a window supposed to be here. I was like, oh, no. I looked up in the sky, and it wasn't there, and I was like, I have no idea. I was thinking, it's like, I'll just pop up. It'll probably be around here somewhere. We've walked a square mile around this place trying to find that darn thing, and lo and behold, we can't find it. And I can't find one online. And I called Northern Lite themselves. Guess how much it cost? $580, something like that, plus like $100 and some shipping. And it's got to come from Germany because they don't have one in stock. And so it's like 8 to 10 weeks out. So $700 later and 8.5 weeks. What am I going to put over my window? So I'm like, I'm going to duct tape it, I guess, and put something, but it's kind of hot out or it's going to get cold. So we got to figure that out. Yeah, so I'm going to figure that out. I'm going to go back out there. That's all I know. I'm going to try to find this darn thing because I don't want to spend $700 on a window. I had no idea it would cost that much. So I'm going to do that. You guys enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. All right, well, it's the next day. Let me show you what I did. Duct tape! And if you can't duck it, well, you know the rest, right? And I can't reach the outside, so I duct taped the heck out of the inside of it, and hopefully that holds for our drive back sort of thing, because yeah, it's not going to be it's not going to be weatherproof, so we're kind of worried about staying on the road like this. Might get a trash bag and put duct tape on the outside, but like I said, I can't reach it, so I need a ladder. We've been calling around trying to find an actual window. Of course, it's a German window, and everything's in UK and this and that, and I can't get parts ordered here. I have to go through a dealer and all that fun stuff. And it's not very fun, and everything's very expensive because shipping's horribly expensive. So even if I find it for a decent price, it's like $400 in shipping to get it here. It's like, what the heck? Crazy. So we had to go back for her friend's wedding in actually like 2 weeks. So I just kind of head back to my mom's house and hang out there until we actually get this window in. Because they said it was like 2.5 months, but I'm going to find something different. There was a guy on Facebook that had one that he said he might be able to send me one. So fingers crossed for that. That'd be a lot easier. And there's also one on eBay if I can get the right dimensions and all that. So that was ridiculous. It was literally like an act of God. It happened it just started right on the RV, and then it just kind of dissipated as it went to RV, and it just destroyed our window and no reason at all.
You guys should have seen the mess we had to clean up, though. Oh
yeah, the dirt everywhere in here. It got to even the screen, because I had the screens up, and it just got through all the screens. Nonsense. That's all I'm going to say about that. So enjoy the rest of the video. So as you just saw in those clips from Utah, we lost our window out there. And let me show you how hard or easy it was to lose this window. Because basically, I'll show right here on these things. That's all it's really holding on, this little ledge. Let's see if I can put it on for you guys real quick. Just like that. See, it's on, and it has a hinge there. But all it does is when the wind took it, it just comes sliding right out, and then it went, bye-bye.
To Oz.
So, let me get that put back in there for him. Okay, and then now here, this is the only things that were on there. This is a little struts right here that actually has a little click system. That basically disconnected, so all the rod was left was this rod, and that rod was with the window somewhere. And there's a screw here and a screw here. You see right there? and it screws in there, and that's all there is that holds this thing on is basically this screw and this strut and this window. So that's all. There's 2 points on here, and then when it's closed, we have these right here that are on the window as well, and that's all that holds this window system on. Now all I'm going to do is take this window off right here, and I'm going to put it on that camper out there to make it easier, because I don't want to do the whole assembly, because if you do the whole assembly, you have to, of course, take the caulking off all the way around your window. And then these window systems come as a whole unit like this, and then it basically just opens apart. You got actually all these screws. It comes with the hardware for all these screws and those little caps that go over it. And you just unscrew all these screws, take the caulking off, and these things come straight apart. So naturally, what's in between that is your camper, and that's really all there is to your camper assembly is this. And as you tell, if your blinds do wear out, this is also how you change your blinds out. You get new blinds, new bug mesh and stuff like that to keep the bugs out. But simply, so if you want those removed, you just take this apart, pop those in, or you probably get this whole assembly, I think is what you get. You just pop that off the back and inside your vehicle or your camper, and then you would just snap it back together, put all the screws back in, caulk the outside, and that's really about it. So let's go to the actual camper, and I'll show you me actually putting that on. All right, see, I got the new window, all the duct tape's off of there. Simply just go in there like I showed earlier. Slide it on up in, and then it will just dangle there, and then we'll go on the inside, clamp it down, and then put the 2 screws in. All right, now we're in here. First I want to thank Tim. He's the guy that from Facebook I was telling you guys about on it was a Northern Light enthusiast, I think I found him on. I put it on there. I was like, hey, anybody know where I can get one of these windows for cheaper? And he's like, hey, I've had one for about 4 years in my garage. If you send me the money for shipping, I'll send you the window. I said, heck yeah. So, Tim, you have a thank you card on the way, because that was awesome, because that saved me a lot of money. I told you before, it was like $700. That was just for the window. The whole unit is, I don't know how much that thing costs, probably $1,200, and he just sent it to me for free, just cost of shipping. That just tells you how the RV community is out there. They help each other out, and it's just awesome. I hope I have the chance to pay it forward later on sometime, but let's get to putting this back in here. So basically just clamp these 3 back down. Pretty simple. And then we'll just take these screws and we'll put them in these holes just like that, and then we'll tighten them on down. All right, we got both sides screwed in, no problem. I'll take these 3, make sure she works. And then each click, you get a little more and a little more. So, oh yeah, see, there it works. So now we have a window again, and a shade. Everything's good to go. Just no more dust devils. Let's hope for that. So that's it. That's how it is. How putting a Northern Light window in. It's that simple. It's really not a whole lot of complication. But I might do some kind of improvement later on, put a lanyard on here or something, so when it's open like this, that if there's a wind gust, at least if it does break it off, I'll at least still have my window, because that's expensive sucker. So don't ever want to lose those. But yeah, let's get down here and I'll tell you some future plans that we have from here. All right, we got the main job done, which is getting that window replaced, and that's a blessing. I'm so happy to get that out of the way, because I thought it was going to be a big chunk of our traveling expenses out. Next thing, small thing, is this mattress right here. See how it kind of curves up towards the end there? I guess I never knew that. I guess I have special Northern Light mattresses maybe for 9/6s. I don't know. But this one, just the guy, previous owner, bought this. And I'm thinking about taking it like this. You can take this mattress out. And if we carve this, kind of maybe, cut the foam out so it kind of fits in that area back there.
Cut a triangle shape out of it.
Yeah, so it'll be nice and flat. Or we're going to get a 2-inch piece of like gel foam mattress. Go all the way up, cut the last 2 feet off or something like that, right where it starts to curve up. And that should make it pretty flat too, because that was the only really thing that would kind of bother us on the road a little bit. This was getting really dirty, because this is where like Rusty likes to eat. I put his bowls down here and he's like, nope, I want to eat up here. That's just how Rusty is. So we're going to put some like plastic thing, kind of carpet protector on that. You can see Caitlin already made this place spotless. This is good. Get a good look at it, because I don't know how long you're going to see this camper this nice and clean until next time we do a full in-depth clean on it. But
it took a lot, guys.
yeah, if you're new to this channel, it's a 2017 Northern Light 9/6. It's been great. We just got done on a month and maybe a week traveling. Fantastic. We loved every little bit of it. We wish we had a little bit bigger of a bathroom, just because I'm a big guy, but I got used to it after a while. The bed was pretty comfortable other than that little thing. Just little odds and ends, but nothing that really needs to be done. The truck, probably just change the oil on it, maybe go over some stuff, check some things. Tires holding up good, everything's holding up good on that. So the future, well, it's getting cold, so we're thinking about heading south. Probably down maybe Quartzsite area, Yuma, maybe to California, see your family if they're not on fire by the time we get over there.
Yeah.
But we really want to head to Florida. So that's kind of our next...
Christmas in Florida, guys!
That's what we want. Christmas in Florida. Probably Texas, then Florida, then all that stuff. And then see where... Because we want to be in the East Coast for springtime and then see all the spring on the East Coast. Go get some nice lobsters in Maine or something like that and all that fresh seafood and all that. So that's our goals. That's our intentions from here. So next video should be us on the road, somewhere here in Arizona. But for now, that's going to be it. Hope you enjoyed this video installing that window. It was pretty simple, straight to it. Remember, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Smash that like button and keep those dreams of adventure alive. See you guys next time.